unusual and so different that thing. And I just want to ask you, by the way, this is something that's been bothering me since quite a long time. Why have you chosen this cover for the book? I mean, I know it's of your painting only, but why as such this cover?
I painted it when I was writing it.
Okay, so was it like really meant for the book?
It was one of those days where I had so much going on in my head that I was writing at about 3-4 a.m. in the morning, and I was really fried in the head. And I couldn't write anymore, but there was still more stuff I wanted to say, is when I painted.
So you paint also when it's really...
Yeah, I'm known to like shut myself up for like 3 days and just paint, and then I do all kinds of stuff.
The book cover is really very interesting.
Thank you. Thank you.
If you had to kind of, rewrite the book again, or if you had to change the book in a way, what would you do? Would you change anything in the book?
If I had to rewrite it, like if you told me today, hey man, write a book. If I decided today to write a book, it'll be a totally different book.
Yes.
Same book would be a totally different book, because I'm not the same person who was writing this book. I have grown. Like, let's say if you were taking an exam, you would write an answer, right? And next day you take the same question. Your answer would be slightly different.
Yeah.
You would have thought about it a little.
Yeah.
So the premise of it would probably stay the same, but I would have a different viewpoint, a different perspective. I would have maybe a better understanding.
So you could all through your writing stand, you must have had like really varied thoughts and all, while writing it. I mean, every morning maybe when you sat down to write, did you think of something different coming up and really went back to it and changed it or anything?
I did. Some of the stuff was very different, which didn't fit in the story, which I wrote down and I kept it aside to use sometime later. Some of the stuff was very, very, very different and didn't fit into the book at all, so I tore it up and threw it away. And some of the stuff that really fit into the flow of events, the way I was visualizing it, put it in there.
Nice. Are you planning to put up a sequel or something?
Yeah. There's 2 sequels to this book.
When are they coming up?
I don't know. I've just done the first draft of the first sequel.
Okay.
The second sequel, I've just done notes right now. So not even considering that. First draft, after I do a draft, I let it sit for about 6 months.
Okay.
It just sits. And then I go back to it, I change most of it around.
Okay.
Because, when you're writing it, you fall in love with your words.
Yeah.
You need to get away from that. You need that distance. So when I go back to it, I'll see how it's fitting in.
Okay.
And hopefully my publishers would be happy to print that one.
Definitely they'll print. We'll all be in fact waiting to read the sequel to it.
That's nice.
Did you make anybody read the book before you
Oh yeah, I did workshops. I had my brother read it, I had a couple of my ex-girlfriends read it, I had my cousin read it, and I had a few of my friends read it. And that's after I wrote the first draft. And that gives me the feedback of what is working and what is not working. And then I take their comments, and it's called a workshopping, we do that. And then I rework it, I try and put something in, I try and take something out, and see how it's going.
How has been the response till now for a book?
So far, I think it's really good. At least from this is the first time I've actually met people who, like a bunch of people who read the book. So far, all the response I've got is on my blog, and
on the afternoon column.
The reviews have been really nice. I've been really, I'm really overwhelmed with the reviews. The reviews are giving. There's a lovely one in the afternoon. There was one in the Tribune. Did you see it afternoon column?
Yeah.
Oh, that's new column. Reading that.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fun. Just fortnightly.
Yeah.
It's a fortnightly column where it's just my space to write some fun stuff.
Put in up more things. Should I weekly?
I wish I could, but I'm trying to do the best I can. Maybe in time we'll make the weekly. But right now that's all the time I can give.
When are you getting back on TV?
I don't know yet.
Missing you there.
I don't know when I'm getting back, but I'll be back soon. Either on TV or you'll see.
Nice.
Let's not talk about it. Okay?
Yeah. It was really, really nice talking to you.
And see, you didn't have to be nervous. I don't mind.
I was nervous.
No, you were fine. You're just fine.
I hope I was.
You're putting this up on
India TV Forum.
Hey, India TV Forum. I'm scared. No,
Super scared.
guys, thank you very much. Seriously, thank you very much for all your support. And I know you guys are like all over the place. I get calls from like New Zealand and London, obviously, and the US and Australia and everywhere. And I wish I could come and meet each one of you, but I can't, and I will be traveling. So just stop by, say hello on the blog, and that's why you can keep in touch with me. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.